Hey everyone, I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Today I'm giving you a closer look at the BikeMaster stud removal sockets. Now these are super convenient to have if you're doing your own work on your power sports vehicles. They pretty much fit any vehicle because they come in 6, 8, 10, and 12 millimeter sizes. Now a quick little tip for you guys is if you're transferring the studs from a bad cylinder to a new one, what you're going to want to do is use a torch on the side of the studs, heat those up, and then use your tool to remove the studs. And the whole reason that this tool isn't going to damage the stud is because you've got 3 rollers that go all the way down the length that are going to grab onto the stud. And that way you can simply reinstall those old ones onto your new cylinder. And that's your closer look at the BikeMaster stud removal sockets. If you have any questions, leave those down in the comments below. And if you want to see more helpful content like this, subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.